Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Divisha Agrawal and I make videos about fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. So welcome to today's video, and today's video is a skincare video. So a long time ago I asked you guys whether you want a video on homemade remedies like for skincare and everything, and most of you wanted to see something similar. So I figured out a way to do that, and the past 20 days have been really hectic with respect to shifting in personal work and a lot of commitments. So I didn't get any time to take care of my skin as such, and honestly I did not do anything to my skin, and you can see that it's like completely dull and the glow is not there. I have a few dark spots here and there, and there are a lot of dark circles around my eyes, which is crazy. What I'm gonna do is this week for the 5 days that is from Monday to Friday, I'm going to try a new home remedy that I have never tried before in front of the camera with you guys, and of course I'll give you the whole background and detail of the home remedy that I'm using, and every day would be a new remedy, so you can see the progress throughout the week. And on Friday or maybe on Saturday we'll check whether it has made any difference to my before and after skin or not. So that way I think it will be fun and we'll all learn something, and yeah, I mean it's fun, so let's just do it. So in the last couple of days I have researched a lot, and I have shortlisted like 5 remedies which are best according to me, and I also asked my family and friends to recommend some new home remedies which they have tried before, and I've shortlisted them based on my requirement and my skin condition as of now, which is dark circles, glow, dullness, dryness, and basically the overall like cleansing of the skin. So let's see if they work, and yeah, it's gonna be super fun. So I'm really excited for this video, and I am really excited for Friday, for the weekend basically, so that we can find out whether this was worth a shot or not. So today is Monday, and today's home remedy is actually for the dark circles because they are really bad and I want to get rid of them. So I'll do all the preparation and get back to you in 5 minutes. I'm back. So I was in the kitchen. I squeezed out some cucumber juice, which is this. It looks all green if you can see it, and you can use potato juice as well if you don't have cucumber available. Cucumber and potatoes both are great for reducing dark circles because they have antioxidants and they have those cooling elements and super hydrating for your eyes, so it makes it less puffy and reduces dark circles if used regularly, like maybe twice a week you should use this. And this is a little trick that I learned. So these are cotton pads, like regular cotton pads that you get anywhere in the market for makeup removal. So I'll just cut one of them into like 2 halves. So I have these 2 now, so they can fit right under my eye very easily. So this is a great hack for applying anything to your eye without spilling and without getting it all messy. So I'll just soak these 2 in the juice and then keep it on my eye for about 10 to 15 minutes. So simply putting it in, and you can see it's all green right now. I'll just squeeze out the extra juice and I'll put it right under my eye like this. Oh my god, it's so good, like super cooling. I already feel so relaxed. Whew. So I'll do that with another eye, and okay, I'm going. Bye. I'll see you after 10 minutes. Okay, so I took the patches off after like good 15 minutes. It was so relaxing. I mean, I let my sister try as well and she felt super good as well. So relaxing it is, but you can see the changes if you do it regularly, like twice a week for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Then you will see a change in dark circles and everything, because it doesn't disappear like that. I feel much better, refreshed, and my eyes are a little less puffy now, and yeah, that's the end of first day. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello again. So today is Tuesday and I was actually out today like with friends and everything, and I had a little makeup on as well. So I came back home like 10 minutes ago, and now I removed my makeup and washed my face with a face wash, and my skin feels a bit actually very dry, and I did not apply any moisturizer because I wanted to use this home remedy. So you have to keep your face and skin product free. That's how it works if you don't know. So today's remedy is actually a face mask or even a scrub. You can scrub it if you want to, but I think I'm gonna keep it as a hydrating face mask only. So for this remedy I have actually prepared this face mask. If you can see, it's this face mask. For this I have used oats flour. I did not have rolled oats available at home, so I used the flour instead. But according to the remedy, you should always use the rolled oats. And then I added some honey to it and a little bit of water. Now you can replace the water with rose water if you want to. I think now I'm going to just apply it all over my face and maybe just scrub it while washing it away. So I'm gonna keep it for 10 minutes, and then while washing I will scrub it a little bit just to cleanse my skin, because oats are actually proven to be a really good natural scrub as well. So let's see if it is hydrating at all. We'll find out. So now I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes and then we'll wash it off and we'll see if it makes any difference or not. Okay, so I just washed my face and you can see how hydrated and moisturized my skin looks now. It's like super glowy as well and looks healthy. So if you have dry skin, then this remedy is gonna work wonders for you. I'm going to like 100% add this to my routine as well. So please, if you have dry skin, do try this out. It's really good and it just made my skin super soft as well. I just scrubbed it off while washing and then I moisturized it with my regular moisturizer, and that's it. It was super simple. So do try it out and let me know if it worked for you, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. It's day 3 and it's Wednesday, so it's time for another remedy. Now today's remedy includes coffee, because as you all know that coffee is really great for your skin if used in an appropriate amount. So I thought of giving it a shot because I've never tried coffee on my face honestly, and coffee is rich in antioxidants, which is great for your skin apparently. And today's remedy actually helps in maintaining a bright, even toned skin, and apart from that it removes dirt and makes your skin really like glow from within. So let's try it out and let's see how it works for my skin. And also it's coffee, so it really helps with the puffiness as well, which is always the case with my face. So let's do it. So I have all the ingredients that I need over here. So I have some coffee, like I use some regular coffee that I normally use. So you can also take any coffee that's available with you in your house. No need to buy anything fancy. Then I have some raw milk in here, if you can see. I don't think you can, but anyway, raw milk. So I will add this to this to maintain a good consistency, so that it's like a pack for my face. Do not dilute it a lot. Seems good, but I think I want to add some honey in it, because dry skin people, you understand, come on, honey is your soulmate. Added a little bit of honey. Now mixing it again. I'm gonna keep this on for about 10 to 12 minutes and then wash it off, and we'll see how it goes. Now applying it. Wow. It smells like the MCaffeine face mask, all coffee and all things coffee and nice. So wash my face now, and I think it is like an instant glow recipe. like remedy. So if you have any event or something coming up, then this would be like your instant glow go-to remedy. And I think I'm gonna stick to it for some special occasions because the makeup would sit beautifully on this glowy, skin. And yeah, I mean, it's just beautiful and nice. And I think it's gonna be more effective after a couple of hours when the coffee would do its magic, and it would actually bring out that glow that I'm looking for. And about the depuffiness, I don't know, I'm not very sure if it helped, but yeah, otherwise it's a very feel good sort of a remedy because the smell and everything, it's just so good. So it will definitely put you in a good mood. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning guys, it's Thursday and it's day 4 of our home remedy challenge, and today's remedy is actually super simple. It has just 2 basic ingredients which you can find very easily in your kitchen always, like at all times. And these 2 ingredients are some curd and a pinch of turmeric powder, which is haldi. Now haldi, as we all know, that it has antibacterial properties, which is great for your skin problems or acne issues or anything like that. And it also helps lighten and brighten your skin. Plus curd has lactic acid, which is great for your acne issues, and it just makes your skin super hydrated and super smooth and soft. So I'm going to try their mix today, which I've never tried before. And yeah, let's see how it works. So I have mixed these 2 really well and form a pale yellow kind of a paste. Now we'll apply it and we'll keep on for like 10 minutes and wash it off with water. We'll see how it works. Okay, so I washed my face, and to be very honest with you guys, I don't see any major difference as such. It looks almost similar like it was looking before I applied the pack, but definitely it feels more hydrated and moisturized, and just there is no dryness anymore. So that's one thing that's there, and it feels super smooth and soft as well. So if you're looking for instant results, then I don't think this is the one that you should go for. And I think this is one of those remedies that you have to use for quite some time to see the final results. But yeah, on days when you're feeling like super dry on your skin and your skin is flaky and things like that, then you can definitely use this remedy. It will work wonders with respect to dryness. So yeah, that's there. That was day 4 for you guys. Now I'll see you tomorrow, day 5, the final one, and we'll see the change like before and after. So yeah, stay tuned. So it's day 5 and I'm here again, and it's Saturday because I clearly missed Friday. It's not because I forgot to film it, but because I was really busy yesterday and I did not get time to do any skincare, or I did not have time to film this particular portion of this video. So that's why I did not do it. But it's Saturday and I'm here with another remedy. Now this particular remedy, if you do it for a longer period of time, like for years and years, then it is going to help you with anti-aging and just reducing your fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes and basically all over your face. So it has almonds, which is really great for skin as it has vitamin E in it, and raw milk is always great to moisturize and hydrate and bring that glow. So almonds, if you eat them, it's really healthy, but if you can apply it on your face as well, then why not? Like it's no harm, right? So today I have for this remedy 2 to 3 soaked almonds crushed into a paste, fine paste, which is like this. I used a cheese grater to grate this, very simple, and then just added some milk into it, and that's it. I formed a face pack sort of a situation in a bowl, and now I'll just apply it on all over my face and keep it for 10 to 12 minutes. The rule stays the same, and then I'll wash it off and see what it does to my face. So it's the end of this the whole home remedy thing, which I'm not very happy about. I really enjoyed this process of filming it, and I was consistent, like for the most part, so which is amazing always. Alright, so I washed my face and I feel that my skin feels really rejuvenated and I just feel good and skin feels healthy from within. I might be biased because it's just in my head, but I do feel good, and I feel that I'm going to continue doing this particular remedy for a longer period of time. Even almond oil for skin is really good, so you can try that too. And I read really great reviews about this remedy, so do give it a shot and see if it works for you. On that note, it's time to end this video. It was so much fun to shoot this one because I was talking continuously for the last 1 week to you guys every single day and just showing you what I'm doing to my skin and just putting on natural ingredients from my kitchen, and it was just so raw and natural for me to come here and just shoot this. But yeah, my skin actually feels really good after 1 week of pampering session, and I really recommend you guys, if you are looking for something, then please pick out remedies from this video and do try them out because it's tried and tested by your very own Divisha Agrawal. I think I should have a nickname for you guys to call me because Divisha Agrawal sounds really formal. But anyway, that's not important. The important thing is that I had so much fun and my skin feels better, so much better, and you can see the glow and everything. I'm really happy with the results. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down and tell me that which one is your favorite remedy and which one is which one are you going to try on your skin for yourself. So I would really love to know that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.